testing out this draggy thing that Damian got me while I am tuning the car for drivability. One of the features that I think I'm going to love is the fact that I can record both ways. I mean, this is the first time doing it, so I don't know how it's going to come out. I'm actually even having trouble looking at the camera because my own picture is on the opposite side of the camera. But if this is a glimmer of the quality of it, it's actually pretty good. And on top of that, you can see my speed and how much I've traveled. It's kind of cool. Anyway, on to Damian's. So anyways, we're under Damian's DeLorean. Hi, Damian.
Hi, Amelia.
This thing is pretty alien. Engine obviously in the rear. Hold on, change the camera angle. Leaks like a Buick. Coolant lines to the front. Tank is in the front as well.
Exhaust is the whole back. This whole back piece is an entire muffler. And it's got a cat, which
I see that.
needs to be removed after I go through inspection.
Yeah, pretty clean. For a car bought at night in the rain from a pair of G's.
Well, find another one. Good luck.
Hey, Stella. We are replacing, what is this, Damian?
Fuel accumulator by Bosch.
And this thing goes in that little hole into that bracket right there. And if you're looking at these lines, they look really fancy, but that's supposed to be rubber over them. Right, Damian?
Which it'll get there.
It'll get there.
Just get the car running and then we'll replace the line. Little by little, bro.
Anyway.
Running, driving, stopping. That's what needs to happen right now. Then we can go in and start doing stuff that needs to be done.
I don't know, for some reason you look funny.
I always look funny.
No, like you look different today.
Maybe I'm more stressed out.
So Damian and I are bouncing ideas about maybe making videos on
DeLoreans?
DeLorean part replacements. And then we're going back and forth between, what is it, the amount of DeLoreans made, the amount of people that work on their own DeLorean.
9,000 DeLoreans.
So there's 9,000 DeLoreans. Then,
but everybody wants to do this modification on this door latch modification. So if there's a video out there, you're gonna get hits.
I don't know.
Well, there's some DeLorean channels out there and they have people following.
Well, I mean, it won't hurt to add it onto my content.
Right.
But
all they're gonna do is search.
watch as the people that listen to this just unsubscribe.
Everybody likes a DeLorean.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. The same guy that was like, oh, I want to buy that now.
I had a moment of momentary insanity. Yeah.
Moment of weakness.
Oh, that is because, like, for example, there are days where I wake up and I'm like, man, you know what? I can get rid of the 86, get me a 69 Chevelle again. And that is something that I can go out there, tune the carburetor, and be done.
I know somebody that's got a 69 Chevelle.
Who?
Pete's friend that bought it off of my ex.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Do I really want that pile, though?
No.
I mean, is the price right at least?
It was when he bought it.
Oh.
I don't know what he's done to it since.
Yeah.
If you want to try to crack that O2 sensor off, another stupid position to put it in.
Sure, I'll give it a try. So I'm here making pretzels with Damian's wrenches, trying to get that O2 sensor off and this massive breaker bar. Yep, O2 sensor won this one.
So supposedly that little white nylon thread right there, or that nylon catch arm cam, supposedly either needs to be ripped out or like melted off or something, because this is the problem. Like you lock the door and then it ends up breaking it.
So this is the script for our next video?
That's what I'm saying. That one will give you hits.
Okay.
Because people are asking for it. Like people are asking for the video, and the video doesn't exist.
Email me a copy of this and I'll read through it. So anyways, while Damian's over there breaking really expensive parts, that thing right there, I'm over here troubleshooting an issue that arose after he left my house the other day from the last video. Which is this thing right here. This is where the puck for the wastegate used to go. And he removed it when he went external, but the plug job didn't last very long. So last weekend we threaded it.
That plug last?
I don't know. When did it fall off?
Driving home from your house?
Oh, jeez. Anyway, so hold on. You tapped it.
We were rushed.
Yeah, we.
That plug in.
So anyways, we got the plug in. We got the plug in last week. It fell off at some point, and actually, it's kind of funny because all the junk came out of it. But yeah, so now I'm putting another plug on it, and that should fix it for now. There you go. Should be tight. Sounds tight. I ain't coming back out.
It's gonna be nice and tight until it's loose.
I mean, I can give it some more. Let me try not to get stuck to the battery here. Oh, get it.
The dog thinks you're hurting an animal.
Get it. She's actually looking at the car funny. All right. Oh, there you go. Should be running good again. Dude, I can't keep doing this every week.
Look, dude, after a dog mauling, it's, not too concerned anymore.
Okay. So that's Damian. The pinnacle of safety.
OSHA approved.
OSHA approved. Oh. Hey Damian, what are you doing?
Cleaning a pivot bracket. I don't know what the hell it's called.
Unsafely.
That and that and that is all supposed to be nice and pliable. And right now it's a big FU.
Damian completely avoiding what I told him not to do.